Going Places by Margie Burden, Kathy French, and Tammy Jones. Going Places by Margie Burden, Kathy French, and Tammy Jones. Table of Contents. How do we get from place to place? How do goods get from place to place? How do we get from place to place? There are many ways for us to get from place to place. Sometimes I ride my bike to school. I can get to school faster if I ride my bike than if I walk. My mom takes the bus to work. She says that she can get to work faster if she takes the bus than if she rides the bike. My dad takes the train to the city. He says that he can get to the city faster if he takes the train than if he takes the bus. My grandma says that sometimes she takes a plane to visit friends. She says that some of her friends live in places that are very far away from her home. She says that she can see her friends sooner if she takes a plane than if she takes the train. How do goods get from place to place? Do you know that goods get from place to place in many of the same ways too? Do you know how bananas get to us? My teacher told me that bananas come from countries that are far away across the ocean. She says that we all have to get bananas from far away because bananas do not grow well in our country. Bananas can only grow in countries that are hot and wet. Goods are things we need or want. Bananas are one kind of good. These bananas are growing in the jungle in Costa Rica, a country near the equator. She says that bananas are picked before they are ripe and put on a truck that keeps them cold. The cold air keeps them from getting ripe too soon. The bananas are taken from the tree before they are ripe or ready to eat and put on a truck like this one. The truck takes the bananas to a ship. Then the ship takes the bananas across the ocean. The ship keeps the bananas cold too. My teacher says that when the ship gets to our country, the bananas are put on another truck. The truck takes the bananas to the store near my home. This port is in California. The bananas are taken from the ship and loaded onto trucks here. Some bananas are put onto planes. My teacher says that the planes take those bananas to stores that are far away from my home. My mom and I go to the store together. She walks and I ride my bike. I want to get to the store before she does. We buy some bananas at the store. We put them in a bag and I ride home with them on my bike. I eat a banana many days after it was picked from a tree in a far away country. People get what they need and want by moving goods all over the world. How do you like to get from place to place?